Chapter 7. Campaign Optimization. In this chapter, you will learn about Facebook's campaign structure and how to set up your budgets. The nice thing about Facebook's campaign creation process is that it is super logical and straightforward. Facebook campaign structure. There are 3 levels of campaign structure: campaign, ad set, ad. Facebook campaign can contain several ad set, and it has a unique campaign objective. Your campaign is basically just a container to help you better organize your advertising. The only attribute of the campaign is the objective you want to reach with it. So, if you want to drive sales to your website and to increase the number of likes on your Facebook page, you will have to create 2 campaigns, one for each objective. A Facebook ad set can include multiple ads, and it has a unique audience targeting, budget, schedule, bidding, and placement. Ad sets are also the best units to use for Facebook A/B testing. Remember to always place all the variations inside different ad sets. The Facebook ad, basically what we have been creating so far in this guide, is the smallest unit of your campaign. Ads can have different URLs, ad image, and ad copy. This is the new Facebook campaign structure. As you go through the campaign setup process, you will hardly even notice whether you are editing the campaign, ad sets, or ads. It's that simplified and easy. As you adjust your ad set settings, you will have plenty of options regarding the budgets and bids. Up next, we will explore each of these ad set elements individually. How to set up your Facebook ad campaign budget. Picking the right budget for your campaign is critical to success. The first step of the budget and schedule setup is to assign a budget for your campaign. Facebook gives you 10 budgeting on delivering your ads every day during your campaign. When you set your daily budget, you are telling Facebook to get you roughly your daily budget's worth of the results every day. Some days, when Facebook spots high potential opportunities, it may spend up to 25% more than your daily budget and then lower the spend on the low potential days. As you select the daily budget, your daily ad spend could look like a set of curves. Do not worry, that's completely normal and means that Facebook's auto-optimizing your ad delivery, which is a good thing. Two. Lifetime budget. Facebook will divide the total campaign budget evenly across the campaign dates. If you set a lifetime budget, Facebook will ask you for the campaign dates so that it can calculate the average spend for each day. We recommend that you set a daily budget and an unlimited campaign duration so that you can later edit the size of your daily budgets and pause the campaign whenever you see fit. Ad delivery optimization. After you've set up your ad campaign's budget, you can select the ad delivery optimization method. The optimization for ad delivery tells Facebook what goals you try to achieve. For example, if your goal is to drive traffic to your website, optimize your ad delivery for link clicks. If your goal is to drive traffic to your website, optimize your ad delivery for link clicks. If you want people to convert on your website, choose the conversions objective. If you want people to install your app, choose the app install objective. Facebook ads bidding. As you advertise on Facebook, you'll be competing with hundreds of thousands of advertisers, each wishing to reach their target audience. Facebook ad bidding works on an auction basis. Who's winning the bid? The advertiser who has the best combination of best bid, relevance score, and estimated action rates. Manual versus automatic bidding. Manual versus automatic bidding. If you're putting your first steps in the world of Facebook advertising, we suggest that you use the automatic bidding. This way, you don't need any previous knowledge about the average bids and the average cost per result. Use the manual bidding if you know how much the results are worth to you. For example, when optimizing your ad set for linked clicks, you can set the highest price per click you're willing to pay. As you set a manual bid, Facebook will show you the range of suggested bids and automatically inserts a suggested bid in the box. Always change the Facebook's preset manual bid in the custom bidding box. For example, if Facebook first suggests that you bid €1.0 per link click and the bid range is 43 cents 88 cents, you could bid 60 cents or even 44 cents. Facebook ads scheduling. Facebook also allows advertisers to set up custom ad delivery schedules so that your ads will reach people at your chosen weekdays, at your chosen time of day. We recommend that you use the Run Ads All the Time option for your first ad campaign. Later, as you can see from your ad reports what days and hours work best, you can use these insights to set up a custom schedule. Facebook ads delivery type. As you're setting up a Facebook campaign, the last selection in the ad set level is delivery type. Here, you can choose between standard ad delivery. Facebook will deliver your ads with the optimal speed at the lowest cost. Accelerated ad delivery. Facebook will deliver your ads as quickly as possible, resulting in higher ad costs. We recommend that you leave the delivery type option set to standard. The accelerated ad delivery is mainly relevant to large advertisers with time-sensitive campaigns. Since accelerated delivery optimizes for speed, not value, you may end up with a higher cost per result. Let's go to the Chapter 8.